Just got this in. So this is the Helifar H815. It is a little mini folding drone that fits in the palm of your hand. See? It's right here in the palm of my hand. I'm just going to fold in each of these arms one by one, and that's it, completely folded. And you can put this in your pocket or pretty much wherever. It's a pretty small folding drone here, a little micro. So as far as the battery, it's a 200 milliamp hour, one cell battery. It charges through here, so the battery is internal. It's down here in this little plastic bay here. Looks like the motors are 6mm motors. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and fire it up. This is the controller. It's a pretty basic controller here. That's the bind sequence. Just do up and down and the craft will bind to the controller. And you're ready to fly. You're ready to take off. That's it. Now in the front there, that is not a camera. That's just a light. This is an all manually controlled drone. There's no altitude hold, so it's really great to try to learn to fly on. It's got some speed rates, so basically if you want to change the speed, you press this button here, and you hear the different beep codes for the different speeds. It's got 3 different speeds, so that's the third one. We heard 3 beeps, so we're in the highest rates or speed. So that's what the angle looks like. And that's the yaw in the highest rates. Trying to get a good picture of that yaw for you guys. There we go. So that's the yaw in the highest rates. And now these are the lowest rates, or the slowest ones. I've actually got a little bit slight breeze. The yaw doesn't seem to change much from rate to rate, in all honesty. Alright, well this thing can also do flips. It can do with this button here. I'm going to show you guys. So you press the button and then you give on the right stick what direction you want it to flip. And it does it quickly and it does it well. I don't see any crazy oscillations when doing the flips. Super nimble. I like how it's bright orange because you know that when you lose it in the grass or something, you're going to be able to pick it out. I can't stand it when they make the drones all black. Heck, sometimes they actually make them green. So this one's nice bright orange. You crash somewhere, at least outside, you are going to be able to find it. We're getting up close and personal with it here. It's cool. I like it. I think it's a nice little micro. Alright, let's see. Ow! Oh, I just crashed into my hair. Oh, that's not good. Okay. Alright, well, I'm going to pull the props off. Take my hair out. There you go. Well, that wasn't too bad. Alright, let's take off again. Yeah, I crashed right into the back of my head and it took out a little bit of my hair. But we're back up. Alright, let's just see what kind of range we get from this. I mean, you're probably not going to be flying this far away, but I want to see how far I can fly it and see where it cuts. So I'm going to step all the way back here. See how far we actually get on this thing. Alright, so just so you guys know, I am actually past that tree there on the left. And now I'm all the way down by that tree in the middle. And I'm genuinely uncomfortable with flying that far away with this thing. So I'm taking it back. And I'm coming back full throttle in the highest rates. That is pretty damn fast. And it's got good range. At least, you know, for something like this. I'm impressed. Maybe this could be a candidate for throwing on an FPV camera of sorts. I don't know. Maybe so. Could be something for a future video, or maybe a future mod that you might do to it. You have to really like those lightning fast flips. Oh, I think the batteries are low now. Yeah, it's starting to flash. We're gonna fly it till it's dead. Yeah, I can feel it. You know what? I'm not gonna do that here. It's pretty much, I'm full throttle. Yeah, I didn't want to let it hit the ground. So that was it for the battery life, which is pretty typical for a model like this. So what do I think of the Helifar H815? I like it. I think it's a worthy micro if you want to buy it, and you don't, especially if you don't want anything that's got altitude hold on it. So yeah, if you want a no frills model, little micro, cheap, quick, easy to use, Helifar H815. Yeah, I'd recommend it. It's pretty good. It's got a pretty darn decent range. You're going to fly out of your line of sight with this thing before you reach the end of the range. So that means it could be a good candidate for maybe doing some FPV if these little motors will uphold it. Alright, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the review, and as always, have a great day guys.